Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful, but it is totally based on a one embroidery mask color, that is a black color. Black embroidery masks are very beautiful, attractive, trendy, and has been in high and massive demand since the beginning of time, when the curse of COVID has spread down onto the human community and has massively affected and eaten the human community in a very large number. The only way to take care of our health or to keep ourselves protected from this pandemic and an alarming situation, COVID, or which is also termed as coronavirus, is the way to wear masks. While going out, kindly make a habit of wearing masks. And for health point of view and from the fashion style maintaining point of view, I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful hand embroidered, handmade silk ribbon embroidery, machine embroidery, thread embroidery, wool embroidery, black designer masks. All of these masks are made on cotton fabric, linen fabric, totally blended, soft, lightweight, comfortable, organic fabric to provide the wearer a very soft, smooth, beautiful, and a reliable experience at the same time, and it would keep them protected from different minor viruses and dust pollution, dirt pollution, pollen allergy, sunburn, and many sort of other minor problems as well, along with the COVID protection to its maximum. All of these masks are reusable, washable, they are comfortable, they are made along with elastic adjustable ear straps with a very soft supporting nose wire. And these masks are totally designed on black color, and black is a color that has been in demand, that has been in a large number of massive community attraction, because black is a color that reflects every color and it absorbs every color in it, giving it a very beautiful and a warm representation. So different patterns of flowers like rose embroidery, like lazy daisy embroidery, like daffodil embroidery, and different models wearing masks have been shown so that you could get an idea, or you can have a look that how these masks are going to look when you are going to wear them onto your faces. Before going into the further details of this video, I have a very simple request to you, that friends, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, on my channel you can get a wide variety of design ideas of women fashion world, like hand embroidery, machine embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, mirror work, crochet designing, knitting, fabric painting, mirror work, gota work, applique, wool embroidery, and much more related to hand art, hand work, women fashion. And you can get crazy, stylish, and trendy ideas of what I am going to tell you: dress designing, fashionable accessories, mobile covers, pillow covers, cushion cover design ideas, home decor design ideas, bed sheets, footwear, baby dress designing, formal dresses, party wear, casual, western, eastern, stylish designer wear, and much more related to women fashion, like jewelry designs, mehndi designs, gemstones, original gemstone information and their horoscopic point of view, and much more. So I would not exaggerate it much further. So now let's move back towards the details of our very beautiful, exquisite, and a very eye-catchy collection of black designer hand embroidered, machine embroidered face masks. Friends, you can use anchor, DMC, or any type of staple or cotton thread to make these with the art of hand embroidery. And you can also use these exactly these patterns for what? For machine embroidery as well. So friends, I hope that I have been competent enough and I was pretty much persuasive to persuade you to kindly do make a habit of wearing masks while going out to stay protected from this dangerous and pandemic situation, COVID, that is eating human lives day by day to its fuller. So thank you so much for watching my content. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly allow me to leave. And if you are an embroidery artist or an embroidery beginner, kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us in the form of comments. Comment below this video so that we could get crazy, trendy and stylish ideas, more and more beautiful for you with the upcoming days, and provide you with the best and the full experience of having a creative and beautiful design ideas. And with this, allow us to leave so that we could come up with some more new ideas, and you don't go anywhere. Kindly be patient and watch the video till end, and I bet that you would be amazed to get stylish and trendy ideas. But friends, you are seeing all of these very beautiful and easy hand embroidery patterns made onto face masks, but the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make this onto your fashionable accessories like mobile cases, like onto your handbags, like leather bags, onto your denims. You can embroider these onto your jeans, denim, jackets, and much more related to your denim stuff, your dresses, onto your kurtis. Even you can embroider these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your handmade, hand knitted stuff like crochet patterns, like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, crochet coats, head warmers, neck warmers, hats, baby dresses, and much more. So stay tuned, watch the video till end, keep hooked, keep entertained, watch all the designs, get trendy ideas. I bet that no one would give you this type of suggestions and opinion which I am giving. So thank you so much. Stay positive, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, and help your friends and family to achieve their desired goals. Try to ease the hurdles of others so that your ways could be paved into very smooth and very easy destinations. And don't lose hope, because hope is the light of every happy beginning and would help you to reach your desired achievements, goal and destinations. So kindly, I'm requesting you again that please do wear a mask while going out. All of these designs of masks are very decent and elegant, which have been shown in this video, and they are absolutely favorable for wearing by girls, boys, women, men, adults and kids. So thank you so much for watching. Jazakallah. Stay blessed. Meet you soon in my new videos.